Hello, Justin with Lucky8 Off-Road, and today it's going to be a 2-for-1. We're going to do some work on the Project Ultimate Defender 90 behind me to get it ready for the Big Bend Adventure After Destination Defender. And by doing so, I'm going to show you how to install our Ultimate phone mount for our Ultimate Defender 90. But on top of that, I'm going to, whoa, where'd it go? I'm going to do the OtterBox mod for iPhone users. So I'll get in the truck, run the intro. First thing you're going to want to do is find these recessed Allens. You're going to want to back them out. It is a number 3 Allen wrench. We're going to back those out all the way. I won't bore you in the video, but you get the idea. We're going to take them out. Other thing is, if you're switching to the OtterBox like we're doing here, or you've got a different phone adapter that you're going to put on, you can go ahead and take this off. It just spins off, pops off, slides off. All right, I'm going to get these screws out, then we'll meet back here inside the car up front. Here's the 2 key components. They puzzle together like so. Now here's the tricky part. You've got to get this little hook like we talked about earlier up here and to hook behind. If you just set it like so, when you tighten it down, it's going to fall off. I don't want anything to happen to my dash, so be extra careful is the way I approach it. I come over here by the little vent, I get it to snap in like that, and gently, without hurting the fabric, slide it to where I want it to be. You're pretty much splitting the difference. That's the way I like it. Then you take the other one with the bigger claw foot, hook it around like so, pinch them together, making sure you're not crushing any of the fabric. Drop in your Allen. And where's Mr. Allen wrench? There he is. And start the process of tightening all these down. It is a pretty good squeeze, and you got to make sure that it's aligned. And I don't want to put my fat head in front of the camera for the video. You get the idea. So hyper speed, I'll get this in. I have the bolts in most of the way. What you don't want to do is try to run one side down. It's going to get the unit here to twist one way or the other. It's going to fight with the jigsaw puzzle teeth. So I just kind of gently take my time, a little bit here, a little bit here, and do that until it's tight. With everything tightened down, it's time to install the OtterBox portion. I'll get the box open, but before I do that, I'll give you guys a close-up on what this looks like sitting right there. On to the OtterBox portion. It is their wireless charger mount. So basically it's a big mag lock for the back of the iPhone. This is the key piece we're looking for. It's going to have the same little plastic nut that goes on the back. We're going to pop that over the ball, but you got to make sure you put this in first. That way we can tighten it up like so. Essentially just replacing this one. Yeah, nobody liked you anyways. So we'll put this in the front and we'll talk about the wiring. In the OtterBox kit, you get a wiring harness. It is a USB-C to USB-C. If your Defender doesn't have a USB-C port up there, we sell them. You can just pop out the USB and put it in a USB-C. So you unvelcro it, and what I use this Velcro later on is to make sure that the wiring harness is kept neatly behind the screen. You know what? I'm not going to bore you guys with me lacing it through, but you can see we're going to stick it in like so. Plug it here, and then plug it in on the bottom, charging up our holder. Let me clean this up and we'll bounce back. There you have it. Super easy install. This mount is not going anywhere, and bingo, just like that, your phone is charging and it's easy to get to. All right, guys, hope that's helpful. I'll see you on the next one.